So let's just talk about previous state in React. So to set the state, we use the setState and we pass the state and we can update the state here like that. But suppose in scenarios we have multiple updates at once. So in that scenario, this way of updating the state might not be updated correctly. So to fix that problem, we can use the previous state. So instead of directly updating like that, we can use setState, and here inside we can pass one function. So we can pass the arrow function which will receive the previous state, and then we can use that previous state and we can update the state. So this function will receive the previous state, it will update the state, and the arrow function will return the value of the new state, and then our setState will update the state, and this way of updating the state will ensure that we have the correct output even if they happen asynchronously. So you can see currently we have this set count which just updates the current value by 1. So let's now access the previous state. So here we're just gonna pass the increase method, and then let's just define that. So here we're gonna use the set count, and inside we're gonna pass the arrow function which will receive the previous state, and then we're gonna update the previous state by 1. So whenever we click this button, it will call this increase method and it will update the state based on the previous state value. So if we click on this button, you can see we are getting the same result. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.